Good morning and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me. Today I received this Monza fuel cap which I'm about to fit. So the Monza fuel cap was originally manufactured in England and designed by a company called Inox. No one quite knows sure the original date, but sources say as early as 1937. They were designed to speed up refueling racing cars and quickly introduced to motorcycles. Instead of unscrewing a cap, Inox designed a flip style cap, which I'll show you later. The classic Monza quick opening fuel cap were used on racing machines during the 1950s and 1970s. So they're suitable for Bonneville D100s, D120s, Royal Enfields, Scramblers, and Boxers. So this particular Monza cap is built by Motone using high pressure die casting technology. The cap is CNC filled out of Billet Aviation grade aluminium. There's also incorporated, as you can see there, this is the brass, this is solid brass, which when it's in contact with fuel isn't going to corrode or rust. Even down to this tiny nut that keeps it in place. I'll show you in a moment. It's stainless steel, so it's just such a high quality piece of kit. It comes with this screw-in device that goes into the existing tank that you've got, and it keeps it all in place. So yeah, just watch me as I fit this. Also just like a rubber seal to stop any fuel leaking. As you can see, sort of spring-loaded base there. So I'm just going to quickly remove the existing fuel cap. It came with the bike. It's the original motorcycle Triumph fuel cap. Obviously the only way you can get this off is by the key. So there we go. So I'm just going to put this somewhere safe for later use if I need it or sell it or whatever. So basically what I'm going to do is just put this together now and then introduce it into the tank. So it just goes on. It's so well made, it's just amazing. And just going to screw it right on there. Leave it a little bit loose because I need to adjust the actual angle of this. And before I go any further, just introduce it as I said, and just bring it right in. So I need to realign this. So what I'm going to do is just flip it up. There we go. So you've got a little. It comes with these little tools. This little instrument here. Look, sits inside there, and that allows you to tighten the whole thing up. Be careful not to drop anything inside the tank because you ain't never going to get it back. And this is the big tool that actually tightens it up. I don't know if you can see that there, like that. So I'm just going to loosen it off just slightly so I can just turn it around. There we go. A little bit of fiddling around, but it shouldn't take no more than sort of 5 minutes to actually just loosen off a bit more. This won't actually drop into the tank. It's a little bit too big to drop into that hole there. Just going to, as I say, adjust it. There we go. It's popping out, but it's good. You've also got these little grub screws. It comes with a small Allen key. It's there, as you can see. I'm going to tighten up so this will not move around once it's fitted in place. Once you're happy with the positioning, just come along and tighten it up. There we go. Such a simple little exercise to do, but I thought I'd show you anyway, and just to see what it actually looks like once it's finished. There we go. Alright, yeah, don't forget, take this out, else you won't be able to fill it up. There we go. It's quite easy to remove once it's done. So yeah, keep these nice and safe. You may need these in the future. Alright, let's have a look, see what it looks like. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I've just made myself a lovely cup of coffee. Shut up. But to keep me awake, I'm going to have a nice cup of coffee. This is no ordinary coffee. This is Skull Crusher coffee. Put a link in the description. This will keep you awake like nobody's business. I did some studying and it went on through the night to the early hours of the morning, and this kept me awake. So yeah, anyway, link in the description. Give me a like if you like it. So moving on. Cheers. That's a cut, by the way, okay? Edit. Josh, edit. And I'm so excited about fitting this. It's quite an easy fit to do. I've had a quick look at it already, and like I say, I've unboxed it. And so I'll get to it and start fitting it. Yeah, come along and join me for this, if you see what I mean. Edit, of course.